Looking for a natural way to deodorize your kid's gym bag? Well, look no further than Cypress Essential Oil. Hi, Katie here from Simply Earth, and I'm going to share with you some ways to use Cypress Essential Oil. Cypress Essential Oil smells like a pine tree. It's spicy and herbaceous and fresh. It's really good at deodorizing. You can also use it to help relieve pain, especially pain associated with cramping muscles. You can also use it to help relieve fluid retention. It's one of the reasons it's in our veins essential oil blend. Cypress is also antibacterial, so you can use it to clean as well as deodorize. We know Cypress Essential Oil is so good at what it does because its biggest chemical constituent is guaiol. And that chemical is known to help relieve pain and help support circulation as well. And you can learn more about how that chemical works in our blog post, which is in the description. One of my favorite ways to use Cypress Essential Oil is for its calming effects. We have a diffuser blend recipe called It's Okay to Grieve to help support the grieving process and the emotions that come along with that. I will share a link to that recipe in the description box. Cypress Essential Oil is generally non-irritating to the skin. Just make sure you dilute it before using it on your skin. It's safe to use with kids aged 2 and up. You'll want to be cautious using it around cats or dogs because pine is toxic to cats and dogs. So if you diffuse it, make sure to leave the door open. Look for any negative effects. And if you notice any, stop diffusing it right away. So you'll want to be really cautious before diffusing it around cats or dogs. Thanks for watching.